Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're also fine, taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show you ideas and designing about crochet knitting handbags. You can see different sizes and different varieties of crochet knitting handbag in this my video. They look very gorgeous and pretty, and you can keep these crochet knitting handbags in your parties as a casual day, in your function, and also in a working day. They look very gorgeous and pretty, and they play an important role in our lives. And you can wear different color of crochet knitting handbags such as gray, blue, black, purple, pink, white, and many other different colors depending on your choice. They look very gorgeous, and you can wear keep these crochet knitting handbags with your different dresses such as off-shoulder dresses, cold shoulder dresses, with your pant shirts, trousers, and also with many other different styles of dresses depending on your choice. And you can wear one color theme of crochet knitting handbag, and also a multicolors handbag. You can also make it in your own home by using crochet knitting techniques and crochet knitting yarns, and also buy it from market. Many styles and many varieties are easily available in market, and you can decorate it with different styles of accessories, such as you can use different styles of crochet knitting flowers that they look very gorgeous and pretty. And you can also use different styles of crochet knitting belts and crochet knitting beads, and many other different styles of crochet knitting pieces that decorate and enhance the beauty of your handbag. And also you can use different styles of metal pieces, and different styles of fabrics decorated pieces that you can hang on your bag, because they look very gorgeous and pretty. And you can also make it in your own home in by different styles, such as in cross belt and handbag, as a purse, and many other different styles is depending on your choice. I hope you like all these crochet knitting handbags in this my video. And if you want to make these crochet knitting handbags in order, please see the link in my description, touch the link and contact with us. And if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. Okay viewers, see you later in my next video. Take care, may God bless you. I pray Allah for your health and wealth. Remembers me in your prayers. Thanks for supporting us, and goodbye.